Purchasing a Zebra OneCare maintenance plan protects your devices, helps ensure maximum uptime, and protects your device investment. And with many plans to choose from, there's always a plan to fit your specific business and operational needs. Our battery maintenance services help enhance any Zebra OneCare maintenance plan with battery protection. Did you know that battery failure is one of the leading causes of device failure? If batteries fail, so do the devices your workers are using in their day-to-day operations, leading to downtime or lost productivity. Take the worry out of battery performance with Zebra's battery maintenance service. Purchase this flexible add-on enhancement with your core Zebra OneCare maintenance plan or add it on to your existing plan within the first year. Extend the comprehensive coverage you've come to rely on end-to-end from your devices to your batteries. When you send your Zebra device with a Zebra battery to the service centre for repair, we'll test your battery. If the battery doesn't reach a minimum of 80% charge, we'll replace it with a new Zebra battery. To meet your operational and business needs, we offer 2 different levels of battery maintenance services. Standard battery maintenance provides 1 new Zebra battery replacement per mobile computer for the duration of the plan term length. Premium battery maintenance provides an unlimited quantity of new Zebra batteries replaced per mobile computer or mobile printer for the duration of the plan term length. Zebra will also handle responsible disposal of your old non-working batteries in an eco-friendly way. What's powering your Zebra device matters. Deliver unmatched performance to your Zebra devices with our Zebra batteries. Keep them healthy with battery maintenance services, only from Zebra.